SAP BTP-based custom AI has enormous potential to help SAP customers differentiate their business operations and increase competitive advantage. In a fast-paced domain like modern artificial intelligence, it is critical to have clarity on how to best develop custom AI. That's why we need SAP BTP AI best practices. Classification is a powerful approach to categorize data. Classification is a fundamental machine learning technique aimed at organizing input data into distinct classes. In the SAP ecosystem, this involves leveraging SAP HANA machine learning tools, specifically Predictive Analytics Library and HANA ML. The expected outcomes include to recognize patterns in the training data and use these patterns to classify new data into one of the predefined classes. To maximize business processes by helping to group similar items together while distinguishing them from different ones, leading to improved understanding, prediction, and decision-making. Interested to know more? Visit the best practice, classification. Thank you.